Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Ghana and TV GH so wafre me Ajowa searching. Mame Mo Bibi Akwaba Emfa Ghana and TV GH so wafre me Ajowa searching. Ebusiafo ende eye wukuada Wednesday eye Black Wednesday de Magana eye dabone pa. Enche bia ena yen legend bako dad lumba efi Magana yen mo ne kra yen wie. And then Wednesday dia bebum de esinde bia Ghana mpenifo and 9 and ashre omonkwa ewo helicopter se ekonyo ewo adanse Ashanti region eho baby asem na yare ho sempa anya asem keto akra omo hwe omonkwe eye Dr. Edward Omane Buama eye Minister for Defense eka ho Honorable Mutala Muhammad Minister for Environment osanso eye MP ewo Temale Central omo keka ho Vice Chairman de MNDC Honorable Samuel Sapon enye easy kra na ebusuafo nkra yensa ka ne say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana ye na ye president se na oka ho o anka papa ka ho se wo konyu anka oka ho na eye Assemblies of God me ma sorry baako program omo program omo attending First National Pastors and Spouses Prayer Retreat and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oye guest SSA or present here enti nyame eyina fisa akwanhie mu yenti menchenka say ebia His Excellency nana John Dramani Mahama ka ho a anka accident ne besi ana senka ensi NDC fu bebre omo concern omo raise ni say eye target na president no omo hwehwe na ensem bebre NDC fu munje nsem hu na muji na ni braba eni bre pa na aba no yenti menche say ye accident say plane no na hu baby aka no omo anhwe no omo koti what happened because news bebre wo hono ma planes are crashing nipa ewu enye plane we nkra na crash nipa ewu nti mbaka say bia ye target NPP fo no mo ahye da NDC fu munje nsem hu no na ni braba ebuso yenti ensem no emu nchirem.
I was supposed to be on this trip. Then at the 11th hour, he decided that he was going for Assemblies of God, program in the central region. That was the reason Mahama was not on this trip. Like Mahama will be on this trip and President Mahama will be in the helicopter. We don't know what could have happened, but if this outcome was the outcome that was supposed to happen, President Mahama could have. So that is why I'm telling you that this is so natural. There's nothing natural about this. For a defense minister to perish in this manner, that means this is a planned thing. You see that the aircraft system was hacked, there's somebody behind it, there was a terrorist who shot it. There could be a lot of things that actually happened for this to happen. But I'm very, very thankful to God that, our president is safe. That is very, very important. See, others are very important too, but for the president, it's more important. And I feel like the NDC, they need to take their spiritual life seriously. Make joke. If they do something, consult. Yeah, they go church, they go mosques, but actually consult and things, go places. Because in the game of politics, it is life and death. This is not natural. This is planned. This is calculated. And I feel like this should be, a clarion call to whoever is in any position that, get out there and work. This can never be natural. The guys at the Ghana Armed Forces need to be, investigated. Heads must rule. The aircraft, who was manning it, were the maintenance due diligence done? We were told that most of our aircraft are not fit for purpose. The presidential jet has been halted, has been grounded. So how much more military jets? What were they thinking that went into? Like, were they checked? Were there some malfunctions that they didn't check? We heard that some illegal miners actually shot at the helicopter. There should be proper investigation. Because across the world, anytime you want to attack the security of any nation, they attack the defense ministry or the defense minister, from Iran to Israel to Pakistan to even the United States of America. This is not something out of the vacuum. This is not a coincidence. This is not a natural occurrence. There's somebody behind it. There's some orchestration. There's some plan, something. And I feel like this was actually targeted at maybe the president. And the president was, by the grace of God, decided to go to the central region for a church program. We could have had a very grim news. It doesn't mean the other lives are not important. Murtala Mohammed or Manibu Ahmad, these are, astute individuals. But see, our security is in jeopardy. Look at our neighboring countries. Look at the Galamsey fight. There could be terrorists actually getting infiltrated or targeting high officials. So if they go for these high officials, you and I, we're in danger. Bro, like, I'm so devastated. Charlie, life is so fickle, bro. You see this crash? President Mahama was supposed to be on this trip. Then at the 11th hour, he decided that he was going for Assemblies of God, program in the central region. That was the reason Mahama was not on this trip. Like, Mahama will be on this trip.
No day passes without me Mutala thinking of death. And that day, when I said, I think, what can you be? So that material vanity, it doesn't shape my life or my world. No.
You losing your life? And I say, Magdan, Ninyan Kopo Etuan kama nate ni tru munka. Mufanche mpen force. Nze mufanche me. Akwele to dem Jimmy o. Mufanche me wate me sheda anya bad sa. Andra. Menenam super highway no so na mete say yes say Magdan. Afide wate ni ba bia hia. Wo Magdan we. Kennedy Japan aye bitter ni na wu Magdan wo ka ho. Ya papa Kennedy Japan. Why you bitter ne bu afu gigi ni na no wo Magdan wo ka ho. Because no dwen so no aban na wo power there. Sanke de nia me biye den e ma no. Ana yesi ye pese ye build the Ghana economy. Enti ye ntumi mfa ma MPP fo nko a. Anya hwe kura no obi adwuma efa Ghana ma. And ye did trade fair redevelopment ni ade. Edema wo back then. Obi a follow my political zone. I have his page. His how do you call it? His voice. Time wana e warning so gu nanum no. Na o praise nanado. Na all condemn Ghana youth say Ghana youth ye lazy. Magdan. Abanye say ebese sanintin wo face wo ko NDC fo afa. Oko kebia ma NDC fo na Mahama ba yentie ni ensini business so. Magdan and now you bloody fool. He said the akai or private jet no. Na no lounge no or private lounge na e airport wo. And then on the yebeje. Ye di amafarida ene sharafa no se sharifu se shirafa. Butie. Wo so di ayi. Na so china. Se nyame shira won krani. Se nyame shira wo gadangbeni a. Wa mbe ya akokọ amfa wano entwitwiri form se wudidi wia. Mo company si ana mo ye. Nanado did all he can to support everybody, including Ibrahim Mahama, in 2021, when he decided to finally go full scale with this whole Chata cement. And then Magdan, Yakobubu, ne warehouse bako. Nanya bako nkwano mububu. O mube bubua, the illegal no mbe bubu nini na. Because if we are building Ibrahim Mahama, we cannot allow anybody get close to him. So all the businessmen in Ghana, get ready. You think today they are laughing with you? Wait, it is NDC for you. They will come for you. That's right. Oh, don't worry. They will come for you. Oh, for instance, they will come for you. Every businessman, money now, money ready. You people think this man is smiling and laughing with you? You think he wants you and his brother to be on the same level? No. Into the debate money now. More secretly. More demo media house. A year propaganda di tia by papa. Na ama business boom. Yenya small problem be Ghana businessman and to me and nyabutre and train yami animu kakra or penisika dem or penisika dodo yam pamono na aban papa mra. And na Magdan yabubu in the warehouse no. Magdan and yabubu in the warehouse no. Because of what Magdan ti. You see a kufuado at the airport baby amount and a dien na party for food. Party folks were very angry with their own nanado. For you, Magdan. You could do a tree. You could do a tree. Na enyama mu ye den no. Magdan bedani neni edema MPP aban. Se MPP aban enye hwe MWA business community no. And then this aban. And I hope they are helping the business community. Makachira mu say NDC for ne de omu ni mu nyansa ho. Omo no de cause no mu nyam feel yet too. You people shouldn't think I'm joking o. Enye didi atemo. Eyumusu, it is who they are. Until by the time and any beba na hoso no. Na nyama kechi cry ediama. Because we NDC ni na okoto abasa aban ne mre wadwuma. Na aban ne ba na wanye adwuma ma no aka kire se wate be 10 tax e free wa. Na mo aban ne bo a wokue ni.